Hello friends, we're in Davao City today, but it's pouring the rain. We're at the public market. That's where we're at, right there. It's pouring the rain here in Davao City. My first time in this market. My first time in Mindanao too. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Bye boy. Hey pretty girl, how you doing? Hello.
Good morning.
How you doing? Bye boy. Good morning. How are you?
Pork chop.
Pork chop right there.
Pork chop, okay.
I'm supposed to do a bunch of outside stuff today, but it's just pouring to rain, so probably end up going to the mall or something. It's not really why I came to Mindanao to hang out at the mall, but not a lot you can do when it's pouring to rain. Hello, brother. How you say the name of this market?
Bankerohan.
Thank you.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. A moose. Looks good, huh? Hello. Which way? That way, that way? Oh, chickens. Hello. 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 Hi. We'll get a view out here. Old Glory right there. Hello. How are you doing? Hello. Maybe we'll go back this way. Oh, here's an eatery. Check this out. Muscle up.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Muscle up. Point.
Yes.
What's the name of this restaurant?
We are all Bankerohan.
Ah,
Vineyards.
thank you.
Where are you from?
From USA.
Well,
God bless you.
are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Are you vlogging?
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning to you. Hey, pretty girl. Peanuts. Money. That's what they call it.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Hey, what's up?
Hi, buddy.
How you doing?
Ceiling.
Selling money?
Yes.
Peanuts?
And also coated and stick bread
What is this?
with sugar.
It's good?
Yes, good.
That's your money?
Money.
Peanut co-
We come back by. I want to show the market.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Hey, buddy.
It's a little bit tight in here. What is that, like peanut butter? Peanut butter?
Peanut butter.
That one's peanut butter?
Peanut butter.
This one's what?
How much? 60. Choco.
Coke. Oh, see. Thank you, salami. That's how you do it?
Yeah.
It's sweet, huh? Malumbing? Wow. Thank you, brother.
Okay, thank you.
It's tight in here. Well, my friends, if you're ever in Davao City, Mindanao, you can come to this public market. Give you something to do on a rainy day. Dried fish. All right, thank you for watching and have a blessed day.